few days here before East 10 Drift Round 3. We're going to be in Bristol on the 27th. Got a few things I need to get done today. I've got to get a skid plate made for the fuel lines, and I'm going to go ahead and swap out my kill switch. It's a couple years old now, and it's just starting to show signs of failure. It's a cheap one from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and swap it out with another cheap one from Amazon. If I get another 2 years out of this one, then it'll be worth it. I did pass tech this season, but there was a few notes left by the tech inspector. There were a couple things they wanted me to have, and one of those things was a guard for the fuel lines, the skid plate, just a little added protection in case I were to go off course or have some sort of incident. Really excited to get out to Bristol this weekend. It's going to be awesome to be there at the track. Really looking forward to it. Rivnuts really make an easy project even easier. It makes it very simple to add threads wherever you need them. It's easily removable if I ever need to, and it's really going to serve its purpose. But thanks for following along. I appreciate you guys watching. If I messed up any wiring diagram schematics, feel free to yell at me in the comments section.